Sri Lanka, historically referred to as Heladiva, is a magnificent tropical paradise, steeped deep in a proud history of 5,000 years. Sri Lanka boasts of many royal personages who practiced the traditional native medicine, Helaveda. From ancient times, caring and healing have been a Sri Lankan tradition that has always drawn from the bounties of nature. These natural remedies have been embedded in ancient ola leaf known as Puskola, and the knowledge passed down from generation to generation, creating an invaluable herbal heritage. A place of enchanting scenic beauty, fields of lush green flora and secluded streams. Millava, a village just 40 kilometers away from Colombo, the capital of Sri Lanka, is home to Nature's Beauty Creations Limited, the largest herbal cosmetics manufacturer in Sri Lanka, a country with over 5,000 years of a herbal heritage. Having inherited the best-kept beauty secrets, this ultra-modern, top-notch, purpose-built factory passionately transforms this age-old beauty heritage into a world-class herbal cosmetics creation. Nature's Secrets. The 13-acre placid green terrain around Nature's Beauty Creations comprises over 500 rare, time-tested herbal medicinal plants. These indigenous medicines, based on an abundance of natural wealth, offer secret cures and come from over a 5,000-year-old tradition of beauty, health, and healing. In ancient times, even majestic beauties used these herbals on their bodies and hair to be differentiated uniquely with wrinkle-free, smooth, glowing skin. Branching out from this deep-rooted historical past and great tradition, a legendary and magical beauty cultural science emerged, documented in the ancient chronicles and engraved on Sigiriya, a 5th century rock fortress, now a World Heritage Site. Nature's Secrets harnesses the power of these time-tested beauty secrets and passionately transforms these into genuine herbal personal care products. The superior manufacturing process of these world-class cosmetics begins at high-tech laboratories after thorough, dedicated research. The products diligently developed in the labs are commercially produced with ultra-modern machines in an advanced process, accredited with European recognized GMP, ISO 9001 Quality Management and ISO 14001 Green certification. Nature's Secrets is Sri Lanka's first and largest herbal cosmetics company to be awarded these highly reputed quality standards, ensuring that all Nature's Secrets products are of the utmost quality, authenticity and freshness. The finest natural ingredients found in Nature's Secrets are exclusively sourced from traditional farmers scattered in the villages. A conscious effort to help the less privileged in society in the country. All water used in Nature's Secrets products is also obtained from the purest, pristine springs of lush Mileva. A leader and pioneer in green practices and sustainability, Nature's Secrets is at the forefront in responsibly protecting the environment through a wide variety of initiatives. With great concern for the Sri Lankan and global carbon footprint, Nature's Secrets strives to ensure negative carbon emissions from its premises. The vast medicinal plant garden created by Nature's Secrets also supports a remarkable biodiversity of flora and fauna. Being a completely environmentally friendly company, to conserve and protect the natural environment and its resources, the wastewater treatment process has been designed at Nature's Secrets to discharge purified water into a pond that is a habitat for over thousands of lively fish. Going a step further toward preserving this valuable water resource, the same source is used for watering the medicinal plant garden at Nature's Beauty Creations. In addition, rainwater harvesting from the rooftops is transferred across a strategically designed network of ponds to preserve and use for watering the garden. In an attempt to provide a sustainable solution to organic food waste, Nature's Secrets has also established a biogas plant within the premises to power cooking in its cafeteria. Today, Nature's Beauty Creations produces a range of over 100 cosmetics. The products that are exported fulfill all regulatory requirements in those respective countries. Nature's Secrets is today at the forefront of the herbal cosmetics market in Sri Lanka, with over 50% market share in some product categories. Nature's Secrets has taken scientific research to new heights by establishing Sri Lanka's first privately owned plant research centre with advanced technologies. A plant tissue culture lab has also been established to propagate, conserve and distribute rare, endemic and valuable medicinal plants of Sri Lanka. Nature's Secrets has achieved national and international recognition by signing collaborative research agreements with the world's leading research institutes such as the National Center for Natural Product Research at the University of Mississippi and Sri Lanka's foremost research center, the Institute of Fundamental Studies. The Nature's Secrets Plant Research Center has also compiled and published a truly remarkable and unparalleled book on Sri Lanka's medicinal plants, which consists of vital data on over 300 Sri Lankan medicinal plants, including colored photographs, traditional medicinal uses, bioactivity, chemical constituents, and clinical research. Nature's Beauty Creations, whilst being the #1 herbal cosmetics manufacturer, has also become an educational center for Sri Lanka's school children and university students, providing them a valuable insight into a success story of an environmentally sustainable industry. In recognition of its unwavering commitment towards green practices and sustainable resource management, Nature's Secrets has repeatedly been honored with awards at the National Green Awards since the award's inception. In 2014, Nature's Secrets became the first and only cosmetics company to be awarded the most prestigious gold award at the National Green Awards, Sri Lanka's highest green award. Nature Secrets, Sri Lanka's pride, is now reaching out to the world in its journey towards creating a global brand for Sri Lanka. Nature's Secrets, inspired by Sri Lanka's 5,000-year-old herbal heritage.